Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create a grid in Figma. First, select the frame or artboard where you want to apply the grid. Look for the Layout Grid section in the right-hand Design panel. Click the plus icon to add a new grid. Figma automatically applies a default grid, which you can then customize to fit your specific design needs. This initial step is crucial for establishing a structured layout. Once you've added a grid, click the Grid Settings icon to open the customization options. Change the type from grid to columns. Here, you can set the number of columns, for example, 12 columns for a responsive layout. Adjust the margin, which is the space on the sides, and the gutter, the space between columns. These settings are key for defining your layout structure. Beyond columns, you can add another layout grid for rows. This helps establish a vertical rhythm in your design. Set the row count, height, and gutter to control vertical spacing. For precise text alignment, consider a baseline grid. This ensures all your text elements align perfectly, creating a clean and professional look across your entire project. It's a powerful tool for consistency. After setting up your grids, you can easily apply them to other frames or components. This ensures a consistent design language throughout your project. You can also save your custom grid settings as a style, making them readily available for future use. To quickly show or hide your grids while designing, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus G on Windows or Command plus G on Mac. This helps streamline your workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.